Alright, let's look at the practice exam 1, problem number 8. Alright, so we want to use the intermediate value theorem to show that this equation 2x cubed minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0 has at least one solution between -1 and a +2. Alright, so let's do that. Right, so f of x is this left hand side, so we say, right, this is simply a cubic function, right? So since f is a polynomial, we know that f is continuous everywhere, but all we need is f is continuous on the closed interval from -1 to +2, right? So in order to apply the intermediate value theorem, f has to be continuous, and we have that. Alright, then let's make sure that, let's look at the value at x equals -1 and x equals +2, right? So if you plug in -1, so -1 cubed is -1 times 2, so that's -2. Right, -1 times -3 is +3. Then -2. Right, so this will give us -1. Right, and if you plug in 2, right, 2 cubed is 8 times 2 is 16. Right, -3 times 2 is -6, and a -2. Right, that will be 10 minus 2, so it's 8. Right, but this tells you that at the x equals -1, function value is -1, which is below the x-axis, and when x equals 2, function value is +8, so it's above the x-axis. Right, so this verifies that the 0 is between f of -1 and f of 2. Right? So by intermediate value theorem, we know that there must be a number between -1 and 2. So by intermediate value theorem, we know that there exists some number c in, so between -1 and a +2, right? Not including -1 and then +2, such that f of that c is equal to this intermediate value, which is 0. Right? Right, hence C is a solution solution of the equation on between -1 and a +2. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.